Hey, if you're looking for a tape measure that's going to make measuring just a little bit easier, this is definitely going to do the trick. So you're getting the trusty old manual tape measure just like this. We all know what that looks like, but you're also getting laser measurement technology in here. Now, the brand did send this to me. So let's go take a spin with this. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. All right. I want to measure all the way down that hallway to get a pretty good idea of this distance. So I've got the laser. You could see it on the door. I'm going to go ahead and click it one time. All the way down to that door is 19 feet 4 inches. I'm really far away from the camera. All right. We're going to measure from the camera to this wall. Probably, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. We're going to click it one time. There we go. We are 31 feet 8 inches away from that wall to this point right here. Now, if I was going to try to do that with a tape measure, that is going to take me just forever to do it. It's probably not going to be as accurate. All right, we're even further back. So, wow, no way. I don't know if you can see, but I'm pointing that laser. This is like the length of my house. So we're going to go ahead. We got the laser on. We're pointing all the way at that back wall in the bedroom. And there we go. There we go. We're 47 feet 6 inches away from this point all the way down to that wall. So just a phenomenal, just a great piece of technology to have to be able to measure long distances. There's some different functions on here. You can measure volume and whatnot. I really don't anticipate most people using it for that function, but definitely for distances, quick measurements, accurate measurements. Let's test the accuracy to the front edge of the countertop. And that right there is 2 feet and 3/4 inches. So let's go ahead and measure with the digital tape measure. So we're going to go ahead and set this. We're going to put the back edge of the tape measure right to the edge of the counter. Click the green button. Click it again. It's going to measure it. And there you go. 2 feet and 7/8 of an inch. So pretty darn accurate. I'm a big fan of these laser tape measures. I've tested out quite a few of these, and really it's about convenience. It's about efficiency, making whatever you're doing faster. Okay. I measure a lot of garage door openings. This is great. I just walk over, point it, and within seconds I have my measurement. I don't have to fiddle necessarily with the manual tape measure. Now, this does have its place, okay? You know, there's a lot of times where you're gonna need a manual tape measure, but there's lots of times when you don't. Just use the laser. So definitely pick this up. It works great. It's accurate. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.